How to add music to your Facebook profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Facebook profile. This cool feature lets you express yourself by sharing your favorite tracks right on your profile. It's quick and easy, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening your Facebook app. And once you have opened the Facebook app, simply tap on three dash icon shown on the top right corner. From there, you can simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you have done that, now tap on Settings and you will be prompted to the Settings section. Once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on Profile Details. After that, simply scroll down and tap on Add Music. Now tap on plus icon shown on the top right corner. And in this section, you can search for favorites or browse trending tracks. And once you find the song you want, you can simply tap on that. And this will save the audio. Now simply go back and you will find the song have been synced. Now tap on the three dot icon next to it and tap on pin to profile. And your song will be pinned to your profile. And that's it. You have now successfully added music to your Facebook profile. It's such a fun way to share your personality and favorite tunes with your friend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.